Hi, I'm Janelle, and this is my husband, Chad. We both are critical care nurses by day, but once we had our two boys, I went part-time and found myself needing something I could do while at home with them, and that's when things were taken to the next level. It all started back in 2019 when we completely transformed a tack room into a studio apartment. It was an idea I randomly came up with, and my husband allowed me to prove we had what it took to create anything we put our minds to. After that, I found a love for tiny homes and small spaces, transforming old RVs into amazing little getaways, all with different themes, not only allowing my creativity to be endless, but also affording us the ability to take trips in our tiny home on wheels. In 2021, I started my website, nailgunnelly.com, so that I could inspire others to tackle projects as well. I have always loved the challenge of taking something that nobody finds worthwhile and turning it into something to be desired by all. If you love design on a budget, before and afters, out-of-the-box renovations, failures, and successes, you have come to the right place. You can find me in stories sharing the process of all my projects with the occasional workout thrown in. So come, hang out, and don't expect anything other than leggings and Georgia boots. From big projects down to small DIYs, I hope you stick around to see where we head next. I guarantee we'll have fun.